Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hide your mutual friend list. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's open up the Facebook app. Tap on the setting gear. Scroll a little down, and here you can see how people find you and contact to you. Tap on it. Now here you can see who can see your friend list. I already tap on only me, but if you haven't tap on only me and if you want to private your friend list, so you can tap on only me, right? So this is how you can hide your friend list from your other friends. I hope you guys like this video. And guys, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future.